Namaste and welcome to our channel. It's the beginning of the holiday season and we have a perfect recipe for you today. Veg momos, a recipe like you've never had before. Let's do this. First we will make the dough. For that, we will take 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix the salt and flour together and make a well in the center. Add just half a cup of cold water. We need to make a firm dough, so don't add too much water or shaping momos will be very difficult and they may rip in the steamer. This recipe will make about 30 to 40 momos. Now that the dough is ready, cover and chill while we make the stuffing. To make the stuffing, we will need soy chunks, commonly known as Nutrela, 1 cup of that. While boiling the soy chunks, you can add a cube of these to enhance the flavor. I have boiled my soy chunks for about 15 minutes and now they are super tender and ready. Cool them down a bit but do not squeeze all the water. Now let's fine chop these juicy chunks. Now in a large bowl, add chopped soya chunks, approximately 2 cups of chopped cabbage, 2 cups of chopped chives, about the same amount of scallions or spring onions, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, about 1-inch piece of ginger chopped, and 6 to 7 chopped cloves of garlic, about 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. You can add more if you prefer more spicy. Chopped cilantro, approximately 1 bunch. And now let's add the spices. Add salt to your taste, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and about 2 to 3 teaspoons of curry powder. You can also use a momo spice mix, but I like to make fresh mix whenever possible. Now mix all the ingredients well and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You can also add oil, but saturated fat like butter holds moisture much better. Now cover and chill this mixture while we make the chutney. Now in a medium pan, dry roast 2 dry red chilies, about 2 tablespoons of skinless peanuts, and 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. Toast them for a few minutes and then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add a medium-sized ripe tomato. Sear it on all the sides and then add 1 cup of water. Season with half a teaspoon of salt and then cover and boil for 10 to 15 minutes. The tomato looks cooked. Now let it cool for a few minutes before we blend the chutney. Now transfer everything to the blender and add about 4 cloves of garlic. Add the juice of half a lemon and then blend everything in a smooth chutney. If you notice, we did not cook the garlic with the rest of the chutney, since raw garlic intensifies the flavor more than the cooked one. You can always prepare this chutney ahead and store it for about a week. And now let's make the dumpling wrappers. Take the whole dough on a flat surface and roll into one big thin sheet. Now using a cookie cutter, cut out the discs. This method is much faster than rolling individual discs one after another. If you want to use the dumpling wrappers from the store, feel free to do so, but this fresh dough is much better as it can seal and hold all the juices better. And now the final step, preparing the momos. Hold one wrapper in your palm and put a spoonful of mixture in the center. Pinch and close one end and move upwards, simply folding and pinching until completely sealed. I should call out that if you're using a fresh dough like this one, you don't need to put water on the sheet. But if you're using ready-made sheets, you need to put water on the edges. Except for boiling the soy chunks, every other ingredient in this mix is raw. If you pre-cook the mixture, it will lose its texture and flavor. And when we steam the momos, all the raw vegetables inside the momos will release their moisture and it will be sealed inside the momo. This is a very easy process, and if you have never done it before, you will be a pro after 2-3 tries. Now brush the bottom of a steamer with little oil. Arrange your momos and cover and steam for 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes and your steaming plate of momos is ready. Enjoy it with your tomato chutney or a spicy sauce of your choice. Look at this beauty. It's worth all the effort that you put so far. So enjoy. And once again folks, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. And until next time, stay blessed and stay safe.